Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make this DIY old monk bottle. So it is easy to create. Let's get started. For making the bottle art we need any three color of your choice. I have taken these color and a bottle, empty clean bottle. So I'll take a blue color and start it from the top. With very light handedly I will just blend it with circular motion so that there is no bubble on the bottle. So I have colored with the blue color, and now the second layer will be pink. I will take little bit of blue from the top and then blend it with a very light handedly circular motion. It should look, the transition is very smooth, and I will just blend it like this. Now I have given the second color too. Now I have colored the yellow in the bottom and I have blended. It will look like this. Now I will take a bottle and a glue and a thread. I will decorate it with this rope. I will take a little glue on the top and I will stick the rope, and with very light handedly I will just put a circular motion. I will just wrap it with the thread like this, and I will make sure that there is no gap between two threads. So I have done half, then I will again do it till the top. See, I have not left any gap between that. It will look very clean if you do like this. Now I will just end this. It will look like this. Now I will take a bottle cap and again I will do the same thing. I will just wrap the red rope in it. You can take anything of your choice and you can just wrap it with that. So this will look like this. Now I will take a clip art. You can take it by your choice, and I will just press it on the center. I'll take a cello tape and stick it the clip art so that while tracing it will not move and you will get a smooth tracing. You can sketch also if you can. So I have stick it. Now I will press it with a permanent marker which is very thin, and I will show you how it will look. Very light handedly I will remove the clip art. See, I got the outline. Now I have did all the detailing. I sketched it all the detailing. Now with this pink color I will color the cloth part like this. Take a very thin brush 0, or you can take one number brush too. Like this you have to color it. Look, now I have taken the same permanent black marker and I will color the body part with the same. And it will look very clean and very dark, and yes, of course it look very nice, different, because I'm not coloring with the black color. Now I will color it and show you. See, this is the final look. I have made it. It was very easily done, and you can just make it in an hour or so. So I'll show you the proper look. Yes, you can decorate with the light also. It look very beautiful, and you can place it in your home. It's looking very nice, very elegant. Please do like my video and subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for watching.